Introducing the 2014
Volkswagen Beetle. This two-door, four-passenger convertible is ready to drive off the showroom floor.
Volkswagen made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 5-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Volkswagen prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, heated seats, front fog lights, a power convertible roof, and cruise control. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.